What's up guys, my name is Itamar and welcome to TME Education's tutorial. In today's video, I'm driving the DC motor, this 5-volt DC motor using with Arduino Uno using a TIP120 NPN transistor, a power transistor. Now for this experiment, I'm using Arduino Uno, the transistor. Over here, I've got the 2.2 k ohm resistor, a push button switch. In front of it, I got my 10 k ohm resistor. Okay, that's a normal diode. Okay, the DC motor, and of course the breadboard. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I wired up the transistor. So this transistor has 3 pins. The first one is the base, okay. The second, the collector, and the third pin is the emitter, okay. So the emitter, the base, okay, the base is connected to pin 6, okay, of the Arduino Uno, okay, through the 2.2 k ohm resistor, okay, the base, and the meter, okay, the meter, I think that's the meter, okay. The meter is going to ground, okay, to ground. It is going to ground, okay. The collector is going to be connected with one of the wires of the DC motor, from the DC motor, okay. This wire, okay. So the collector, okay, the collector, sorry, the emitter, okay, emitter is going to ground. The collector is to be connected with one of the wires of the DC motor, this wire, okay. The white wire, okay, is coming from the collector to this wire of the DC motor, okay. And over here we have the anode, okay, of the normal diode, okay. So the anode of the normal diode, okay, is connected, okay, to the collector, okay, and to this side of the DC motor, okay. Now the cathode, okay, is connected with this wire, okay, from the DC motor, the cathode, and with 6 volts, okay. So here with two sources, okay, of power, if you want, okay, from Arduino Uno, okay, and from 6 volts, okay, an external power, okay. Now over here I have my pull-up resistor, okay. So this side of the resistor, okay, is going to 5 volts, okay, and the other side is connected with one of the sides of the push button, okay, and in the same time, okay, with here, okay, the pins 5 of the Arduino Uno going okay, in here, okay. So the pin 5 is connected with the 10k ohm resistor and with this side of the push button to form the pull-up resistor, okay. And of course, okay, this other side of the push button is going to ground, okay, through the emitter of the TIP 120 transistor, okay, like that, as you can see. Okay, so how does this thing work? Okay, so I'm going to control the DC motor, okay, using the push button, okay. So when I press the push button, the DC motor is going to spin, okay, during 3 seconds, okay, and after that it stops, okay. So if I push 3 seconds and stops, okay, push 1 2 3, 1 2 3, okay, 3 seconds. Okay, that's our program. I mean our project, our today's project. Now I'm going to show you the program that I've used to build to get this thing done, okay.
Okay, that's our program. Any doubt, you can leave a comment.
Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.